Hi everyone, and welcome back to Creative Chelsea. Today I have for you another Cut It to Create It project share video. Now for this Cut It to Create It, I wanted to use the designer series paper in a different way than I normally would. And so I created angles using the paper. I'm going to go ahead and show you the cards. Remember that if you like these cards, you can find the free templates on my blog. And then if you would like to have a PDF tutorial showing you how to create the cards that I made, then you can purchase them for $5. And all the information that you need for that you can find on my blog, creativechelsea.com. So I really wanted to focus on the celebration items that you can still receive because March is the last month for celebration. Let's go ahead and look at these set of cards first. These cards are made using the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper, the lovely Lily Pad stamp set, and its coordinating Lily Pad dies. And I've also used the stamp set Sending You Thoughts. And all these things are celebration items, which means you can get them free with a qualifying purchase. So what I've done is I've taken a half sheet of Designer Series paper, so that would be 6 inches, and then cut that into 3 4x6 pieces. And then each one of those pieces I've cut with a different angle. And so then I've created 2 cards using that same angle. So you can see how that's the same angle. And then I've just rotated one. So one is vertical and one is horizontal. So there's the first set of cards. And here's the second one. And then the third one. Okay, so then for this set of cards, I'm using the Flowering Foils Specialty Designer Series paper. And the reason it's super special is because it's got this beautiful foil coloring on the paper. Now this paper is not double-sided, but and it comes actually just white with this silver and copper foiling. And so I've gone ahead and colored the paper and then added it to the same color background paper and then used some fun stamps and dies to create the focal point. So let's look at the pairs again. So here's that one. So it's cut similar to the first pair that I showed you in the other set. Here's the second one. And then for this, I've just taken this die, I've cut it in half and squished it together and then added the word thanks. I just didn't want it to be too wide for this set. And then here is the last one. And I love the colors on this set of cards. They're very springtime Easter feeling, and it was really fun to create. And I just dyed this paper. I did it 2 different ways. For the pink and the blue, I used sponge daubers. And then I decided to try some watercoloring on the other ones. And I kind of like the watercolor a little bit more. You just want to make sure that when you're doing the watercolor, you don't add a lot of water because the paper is thin and you don't want to ruin it. All right, so those are my cards. And again, if you're interested in more information or to get the free template, visit my blog at creativechelsea.com. Have a creative day. Bye.